You and your colleagues, you can open and work on the same Excel workbook. This fact is called co-authoring. When you co-author with someone, you can see each other's changes quickly in a matter of seconds. And with certain versions of Excel, you will see other people's selections in different colors. If you are using a version of Excel that supports auto-authoring, you can see Select Share in the upper right corner. To begin, click on the right corner and select Share. If the Share option is not available here, try to go to File, Share, Share with People, invite people. You can put the email address of the person and you can write him a message. Once done, automatically share changes. Click and select what suits you, ask me, always or never, and click share. An email will be sent with the link and your colleagues can change the file and can adjust it accordingly. And the changes will be visible to you in the real time.